Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fuel system cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Berryman B12 Chemtool Carburetor Fuel Treatment and Injector Cleaner. This versatile cleaner is known for its powerful formula that quickly disperses moisture and dissolves stubborn deposits like gum, varnish, and fuel residues. If you're looking for a product that works across the entire fuel system, from the tank to the valves, this is a great choice. It even claims to improve compression, reduce maintenance costs, and extend the life of spark plugs and injectors. When it comes to design and build quality, the Berryman product comes in a 15-ounce can, and this particular pack includes 12 cans, making it ideal for bulk buyers or those with multiple vehicles. The HEST, High Energy Solvent Technology, formula is what sets it apart, ensuring a deep clean that's also safe for catalytic converters and oxygen sensors. However, it's worth noting that this bulk packaging might be overkill for occasional users. In terms of performance, the Berryman cleaner is highly effective at dissolving fuel deposits and improving engine efficiency. However, it lacks the advanced features of some higher-ranked products on this list, such as emissions reduction. It's a fantastic option for those who want a reliable, straightforward cleaner. On the downside, its lack of specific focus on emissions testing or catalytic converter maintenance makes it less ideal for modern environmental compliance. Overall, this is a great value for fleet owners or DIY enthusiasts who need a no-nonsense solution. At number 4, we have the Redline 60102 Complete Powersports Fuel System Cleaner. Designed specifically for powersports vehicles like motorcycles, ATVs, and personal watercraft, this cleaner is a niche product that excels in its category. It reduces octane demand, cleans deposits from intake valves and combustion chambers, and even lubricates the upper cylinder. Whether you're running pump gas or race fuel, this cleaner is compatible with both, and it works on pre-mixed or injected two-stroke engines. The build quality and size of the Redline cleaner make it ideal for smaller engines. Each bottle contains 4 ounces of cleaner, and this 2-pack ensures you have enough for 2 treatments. The compact design is convenient for riders who want to carry a bottle in their gear. Redline, founded in 1979, has a reputation for performance-focused products, and this cleaner is no exception. However, its smaller size and specialized focus might not appeal to users with larger vehicles like cars or trucks. Performance-wise, this product delivers noticeable improvements in power and fuel economy. It's particularly effective at cleaning emission systems, making it safe for catalytic converters and sensors. Nevertheless, the small bottle size limits its use to power sports applications, and it might not be cost-effective for larger vehicles. Its biggest strength is its targeted formulation, which makes it the go-to choice for power sports enthusiasts. However, if you're looking for a one-size-fits-all cleaner, this might not be the best fit. Our runner-up spot goes to the Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. This product is specifically formulated to reduce carbon buildup and clean critical components like catalytic converters, DPF filters, and oxygen sensors. What sets Cataclean apart is its focus on emissions compliance. It's designed to help vehicles pass stringent smog tests and even clear common check engine light codes, with the ability to reduce hydrocarbon emissions by up to 50%. This cleaner is a game changer for those living in areas with strict emission standards. The design is simple but effective, with a 16-ounce bottle that makes it easy to pour into the fuel tank. This pack of 2 ensures you have a backup for future use. It's compatible with gasoline, diesel, and hybrid engines, making it one of the most versatile products on this list. However, it's not the cheapest option, which might deter those on a tight budget. Performance-wise, Cataclean delivers remarkable results. It not only cleans the fuel system, but also restores engine efficiency and improves fuel economy. The ability to clear check engine lights is a huge plus, potentially saving users from costly repairs. On the downside, while it excels in emissions-related cleaning, it might not offer as comprehensive a clean for other parts of the fuel system compared to the top product on our list. Nevertheless, it's an excellent choice for those prioritizing emissions compliance and engine health. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.